Have you ever felt that gut-wrenching feeling of wanting someone who seems just out of reach? It's a sensation that can consume your thoughts and make you question everything. You replay every interaction, every word, wondering what went wrong and how you can make it right. It's like they're a million miles away, living their best life while you're stuck thinking about them. You see their social media posts, their smiling faces, and it feels like a punch to the gut. You wonder if they ever think about you, if they miss you at all. What if I told you that you could flip the script, that you could turn the tables and make them miss you just as much, if not more? It's not about manipulation or playing hard to get. It's about understanding the psychology of attraction and using it to your advantage. Imagine being the one they can't stop thinking about, the one they long to be with. It's entirely possible, and it starts with a few key changes in your behavior and mindset. You need to become the best version of yourself, someone who is confident, happy, and fulfilled. In this video, we're diving deep into the psychology of attraction and giving you the tools to make her miss you, even if she's not showing interest right now. We'll explore the subtle cues and behaviors that can make a huge difference in how you're perceived. This isn't about playing games. It's about understanding what truly makes a connection powerful and lasting. It's about being genuine and authentic, showing your true self, and creating a bond that goes beyond superficial attraction. Get ready to take notes because these are the secrets nobody talks about. By the end of this video, you'll have a new perspective on attraction and the confidence to make her miss you badly. So, let's get started and transform your love life. Look, I'm going to be straight with you. Building real connections isn't about grand gestures or waiting for the perfect moment. It's about the small, consistent actions that show you care. Wishing, hoping, and praying won't make someone miss you. It's not about the time you spend apart, but the quality of the moments you share together. It's about creating a connection that runs deeper than surface-level interactions. It's about those conversations that make you lose track of time, where you feel truly understood and valued. Think about it. What makes you miss someone? It's not just their presence, but the impact they have on your life. The way they make you feel seen and heard. It's the way they make you feel. The joy, the comfort, the sense of belonging. These emotions are the foundation of a strong connection. When you're with someone who truly sees you, who gets you, who laughs with you and challenges you, that's when a real bond starts to form. It's about being vulnerable and open, sharing your true self without fear. This means being present, being engaged, and being genuinely interested in who she is. It's about showing up, not just physically but emotionally and mentally. Ask questions, listen to her answers, and share your own experiences and vulnerabilities. Vulnerability is magnetic. It draws people in and creates a space for genuine connection. It shows you're comfortable with yourself, and that's incredibly attractive. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. Don't be afraid to be your authentic self. Authenticity is the key to building real connections. When you are true to yourself, you attract people who appreciate you for who you are. The right people will connect with that. They will see your true self and value it. They will be drawn to your authenticity and the genuine connection you offer. And the wrong ones, well, they weren't meant for you anyway. It's better to be alone than to be with someone who doesn't appreciate the real you. So be yourself and the right connections will follow. In the age of instant gratification and constant communication, a little mystery goes a long way. Think about it. Have you ever binge-watched a show and then felt a little empty when it was over? It's because the excitement of anticipation is gone. The same principle applies to relationships. Don't be afraid to hold back a little. Don't feel the need to share every detail of your day or respond to her messages the second you see them. This doesn't mean playing games or being manipulative. It's about creating space for her to wonder about you, to think about you, and to miss your presence. Intrigue is a powerful tool. Use it wisely. Chapter 3. Give her space to breathe and miss you. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but sometimes the best way to make someone miss you is to give them space to breathe. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to feel like we need to be constantly connected, always available, and perpetually engaged. However, this can lead to emotional exhaustion and a sense of being overwhelmed. Constantly being around someone can lead to taking each other for granted. When you're always present, the special moments can start to feel routine, and the excitement can fade. It's important to remember that quality time is more valuable than quantity time. It's like that old saying, absence makes the heart grow fonder. When you step back, It allows both of you to reflect on your feelings and the importance of your relationship. This time apart can reignite the spark and bring a fresh perspective. When you give her space, you're giving her the opportunity to miss you, to realize how much she enjoys your company, and to appreciate the time you do spend together. This space can also help her to pursue her own interests and passions, which is crucial for personal growth and happiness. This also gives you a chance to focus on yourself, to pursue your own passions, and to become the best version of yourself. Engaging in activities that make you happy and fulfilled will not only improve your well-being, but also make you more attractive to your partner. Remember, a fulfilling life outside of a relationship is one of the most attractive qualities you can possess. When both partners have rich, independent lives, they bring more to the relationship, making it stronger and more resilient. So embrace the space, cherish the moments of solitude, and watch your relationship flourish. Chapter 4. Confidence is key. Level up your life. Confidence is incredibly attractive. When you believe in yourself, it shows and it draws people to you. This isn't about arrogance or cockiness, it's about knowing your worth and owning it. Focus on self-improvement. Hit the gym, pursue your passions, learn a new skill, or travel to a new place. When you're constantly growing and evolving, you become magnetic. You radiate an energy that people can't help but be drawn to. And when she sees you thriving, living your best life, it's going to make her realize what she's missing. Chapter 5. Memories matter. Create lasting impressions. Shared experiences create lasting bonds. Think about the things that make you miss someone. Inside jokes, unforgettable dates, adventures you've shared. These are the memories that stay with us long after the moment has passed. So, make an effort to create those memories with her. Plan thoughtful dates, try new things together, and be present in the moment. Don't be afraid to be spontaneous, to be playful, and to create experiences that will make her smile long after you've said goodbye. The more positive memories you create, the more she'll associate those feelings with you, and the more she'll miss having you around. Outro. Make her miss you. The takeaway. Remember, making someone miss you isn't about playing games or manipulating their feelings. It's about building a genuine connection, creating positive memories, and becoming the best version of yourself. When you focus on these things, you become the kind of person that people naturally gravitate towards. So go out there, be confident, be authentic, and create a life that's so compelling, she simply won't be able to resist you. You've got this.